Let's see how you can easily build a TikTok AI agent that can simply handle the DMs for your business. So here I'm in a demo account. So first of all, you need to connect your TikTok account right here. So to do that, you can simply click on this channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings and channels where you can easily choose the TikTok and connect it as well. So here, if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect your TikTok accounts right here, and you can follow these instructions right here before you begin as well. All right, so you will see the connect button. It will show this sort of window where you have to enable all these permissions and click continue and connect it. That's it. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of agents for your TikTok right there. And in this video, I'm going to show a live demo of how to create the TikTok AI agent for this specific landscaping company right here. All right, and here, if you're planning to use the AI, then you also need to connect the API keys from any of the AI platforms like OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, or XAI as well. So to do that, you have to go to settings over here, where you can find the integrations right here and connect the API keys from the OpenAI or Google Gemini or Cloud AI as well. For example, if you're wondering how to connect the API keys from the OpenAI, click on learn more, and here it will take you to the guide where you can click on this link where you can log in with your own ChatGPT account and simply create the API keys for your account and simply connect the API keys right here. All right, so then you can actually use those AI powered by OpenAI right there. All right, and make sure this is switched on as well. All right, save it. And here, once it is connected, you can actually go to the AI hub over here where you can create any sort of AI agent for your own business. All right, so in this case, we want to create the AI agent for this specific company, Greenscape Landscaping Solutions. So let me create one for right here and name this one as Greenscape Landscaping. All right, and here you have to add all the information about that specific company. So here we have the prompt as well saying, right, so let me copy this prompt instruction right here. All right, and add it right here as well. All right, and other information you can simply copy the whole information right here and add as well. All right, copy this information. All right, and simply paste it right here. So here, if you're wondering what information we have right here, for example, we have some introduction about the company and the service areas right here, and the business hours, the phone number, contact information, the what services they provide, and some pricing information. And here we have information about the prices, services they provide, and the pricing as well. And if you scroll down here, maintenance plans and some frequently asked questions, and again payment methods. And here we have some information about the promotions as well, current offers as well, and here's some customer reviews as well, just for the demo. All right, so here we have all that information provided for this specific AI agent right here. And here you have the option to enable the connect user to human as well. So that means if a customer's intent is to talk with the human agent, it will automatically transfer the AI chatbot and transfer the chat to the humans, and from there humans can jump in and talk with the customers as well. And here you can also create different AI functions to collect specific customer details. For example, to book appointments or other things, you can actually collect specific customer details and using the AI functions as well. And you can even upload specific files right here, PDF files or any other format files, and use those files for the AI agent knowledge base as well. So if you cannot provide all the information in the text format, you can actually upload different files and select those files for the specific AI agent as well. For now, let me click on save right here. Before that, you can click on this option and set the specific model you are planning to use. For example, let me use GPT 5.4 mini, and since we have connected other AI models, it shows up right here as well. So but the priority is set up for the OpenAI. So if you want to set the priority for the cloud, you can simply click on this arrow and use that one as well. But let's use the OpenAI first priority to generate a response. Only if it fails, it will try to generate a response as well. All right, and here you can adjust the temperature as well if you want, and here you can set other things as well. All right, let me click on save over here, and you have to make this as the default agent as well. All right, And regarding the AI tools, here you can actually create files. You can actually upload specific files right here and select those files for the AI agent. Likewise, you can actually create a functions to collect specific customer details and then select those functions for the AI agent, so it will simply collect those specific details as needed as well. So now I have set up as a default agent, so now this will simply work on all these connected channels right here, including the TikTok right here. So TikTok connected is Democratic Media, so we can test that right there as well. And if you want to delay the responses generated by the AI, you can do that as well. You can go to settings, so here where you can choose the bot reply delay. So it says set how long the bot waits before replying after the user's last message. If the user sent another message, the timer reset and the messages are queued into a single response as well. Alright, so here you have the option to delay the responses as needed as well. So here let me delay these responses by like 20 seconds. So within 20 seconds customers can't send any sort of message, and even if they send another message before 20 seconds, it will reset and then wait 20 seconds before it actually send a response as well. So I have put a delay of 20 seconds as well. Let me send a message over here. So let me say, what are your business hours? All right, what is your phone number? So here I'm asking two questions, business hours and the phone number. So it will actually wait 20 seconds before it actually generate a response, and we will get responses for both of these questions in a single response as well. So let's see how this actually respond to us. So here it's actually generating a response. So it says we are open Monday through Friday 7 to 6 p.m, Saturday 8 to 3 p.m, and we are closed on Sunday. You can reach us at this specific phone number. Simple as that. So here Sunday closed, these are the business hours, and the phone number is right here as well. Simple as that. So here, even though I asked two questions, it simply sent us a response right here as well, and we have actually set up the 20 seconds delay time as well. So here if you go to settings, we can find the delay time 20 seconds as well. You can actually increase up to 3 minutes right there if you want. So if you don't want any sort of delays, you can simply choose none and save it as well. So when they ask any sort of question, it will respond immediately as well. For example, here we have information about the pricing as well. So here let me ask about the promotions. So here they have a new customer discount 10% off the first service as well. So let me ask, do you have any promotions for the new customers? So here let me ask this, do you have any promotions for the new customers? So it's actually generating a response immediately because it says yes we do. New customers get 10% off their first service. If you would like, we can also help you with a free estimate as well. Simple as that. So likewise, it can simply respond to any customer's questions using the information right here. And if you go to the unified inbox, you can track the conversation happened. So unified inbox TikTok right here, and you can track all these conversation happened right here. And from here also, agent can jump in and talk with the customer as well. So if the agent send a message right here, or some random message, the bot will be paused, and they won't get any sort of responses from the bot as well. So here bot is paused, and if you share the phone screen, you can see the customer has received this same message right here as well. And here you can filter this conversation right here as well from human only or bot only, and if you untick, it will show conversation from both of these channels like human and bot. And here if you click on this arrow, you can also filter the conversation by my inbox. So that means those are the conversation assigned to your profile as well, where you can easily track those things and easily respond to the customers as well. So that's a quick video how you can easily build a simple TikTok AI agent. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.